Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to edit or modify a name range in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel file. Here you can see in Excel file, the left hand side, the name box is available. When you keep cursor, see here the name box name is showing. When you click on this drop down arrow, there are three name range is available in this name box. Okay. But as you notice, there is a no option here to rename or edit them directly from this name box. Okay. So here the correct method, go to the formulas tab. In define names group, click on the name manager option. And here the one dialog box is open, name manager. Okay, in name manager, you can see the list of name range is showing as mentioned the name boxed. Okay, the list of name arranged. If you want to edit, simply select the name range. So those you want to edit, so I select the second one and click on the edit option, and here you can see the edit name dialog box is open. You can edit here the name, enter the name without space. Okay, so I just enter here employees list. I add some number, so I add 111. Okay, without space. You can add here the some comment also. So I just verify name with pan. You can add anything comment. Okay. And in refers to, you can see here the range of data you're showing, the selected range of list showing. If you want to change the list, you can change here also. Just click on this arrow and you can see the selected range is showing here. If you want to change, select the another list of range and click on this arrow and you can see D column range is selected. Okay. Just click on OK and that's it. Your name range is now updated successfully. This is a very useful. Your data is expands or changes. You don't want to delete or recreate the name range again. Okay. So just close this dialog box and you can see in name box, when you click on this drop down arrow, the employees list name is changed. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.